project entitled Automated Juice Refilling Machine in a partial fulfillment of the requirement for ELECTIVE 1 by electrical engineering student of Batstateu State University. This prototype is a juice maker that operates automatically without any human intervention.
The operation of this prototype is made possible with the use of different equipments and components. The industrial equipment used are acrylic plastic and steel angle bars for machining casing, conveyor motors and conveyor belt, and DC motors. The electronic components used in this prototype are photodetector sensors, timers, contactors, linear solenoid bulb, and electronic power supply. These electronic components are wired together into one circuit connection. This prototype undergoes 3 stages of operation.
Powder refilling stage. In this stage, a certain amount of powder juice is to be poured into a glass. The operation starts when photodetector 1 senses the glass carried by the conveyor. As the photodetector senses the glass, the conveyor stops and the linear solenoid opens, pouring the powdered juice for about 5 seconds.
After the powdered juice has been poured, the conveyor moves to the next stage of operation, the water refilling stage. This operation is basically the same with powder refilling stage. Photodetector 2 detects the glass, conveyor stops, solenoid bulbs open, pouring the water for about 42 seconds.
With the first 2 stages of operation completed, the conveyor moves to the third and final stage of operation. Photodetector 3 detects the glass, stopping the conveyor and thus starting the third operation, which is the juice stirring. After the detection of the glass, the shaft of the mixer will drop, hit the limit switch, and starting the stirring action. After the powder has been diluted for a set time, the shaft will automatically go back to its original position, thus completing the 3 stages of operation.
When the circuit breaker is switched on, the electronic power supply will convert the 220 volts AC to 12 volts DC that will turn on the control system along with the conveyor motor. The glass is placed on the running conveyor belt. When the first sensor detects the glass, the timer will be switched on, which will energize the DC relay connected to the solenoid used in the powder refilling stage and also the AC relay that is connected to the line of the conveyor motor. The conveyor belt will stop, the linear solenoid will be opened, the powder will be poured, and after 5 seconds, the first operation will end. As the conveyor belt moves, carrying the glass from the first operation to the next sensor that will trigger the second operation, a timer connected to the sensor will switch on and energize the DC relay connected to the solenoid valve that opens so that the water from the container will flow in order to fill the glass with water. It is also the same as the first operation, but instead of 5 seconds, the solenoid valve will be opened for about 40 seconds. When the second operation ends, the conveyor belt will run, moving the glass to the sensor of the last operation. The timer set with 30 seconds will be switched on and energize the relay connected to the bottom limit switch while there is no contact to it. The line will supply the gearbox, bring down the steerer, and hit the bottom limit switch that will shift the supply from line to steering motor. When the set time is done, the TR indicator will turn red and supply the other TR connected to the gearbox that will bring up the steerer and hit the upper limit switch, then end the operation.